exterior lighting, 5 great ideas. Hi, welcome to the Calibu Home and Vineyard, nestled in the Santa Monica Mountains north of Los Angeles. I'm Jennifer Farrell, the interior designer on this beautiful show house project. Number 1, driveway and walkway lighting. To welcome guests in style, I created a grand entrance with some simple lighting techniques. This double box wall light design sets a modern tone, and it has our mixed metal look in black and brass. Post lights line the driveway. They have an open, modern lantern design with clear glass panels. I love using solar-powered LED path lights. Here, they lead us to the front door. Number 2, porch lighting. You want a bright light to mark your home's entrance. Here, I used the black frame wall light with the open glass design, which ties in with the driveway lighting. Number 3, patio accent lighting. On the back of the house, I wanted to subtly wash the exterior walls with light. This LED design does just that, showing off the architectural form of the home. Number 4, string light accents. If you have an area set away from the main house and not near an electrical outlet, like this vineyard area, use solar-powered lights to give a romantic accent. Number 5, security lighting. Finally, don't just add decorative lighting outdoors. Here on the side of the house, I added the security floodlight. You can find designs with motion activation and dusk to dawn features as well. See all the designs at Lamps Plus. I hope you enjoyed these outdoor lighting tips. For more inspiration, go to lampsplus.com.